Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing FORCE FACTOR Nitric Oxide, a supplement that promises better endurance, muscle pumps, and energy. But does it really deliver? Or is it a scam? After taking it consistently, we noticed a definite increase in blood flow and endurance during workouts. Our muscles felt fuller and recovery seemed a bit quicker. The capsule form is convenient, and the blend of ingredients like L-citrulline and L-arginine are backed by some solid science. However, the downside is that the effects vary depending on your diet and overall health. On days when you weren't hydrated enough, this supplement didn't feel as effective. Some of us also experienced mild headaches and a flushed feeling after taking it. It's also not cheap compared to simpler nitric oxide boosters, so you're paying a premium. Overall, FORCE FACTOR Nitric Oxide works if you're consistent with hydration and workouts, but it's not a magic pill. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.